How to change the privacy settings on 8-Ball Pool. Let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. First of all, open 8-Ball Pool on your device. Then click on Settings, which you can see on the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. After you have tapped on the gear or settings icon, just scroll all the way down until you find the settings over here. So now you can see the chat order. Once you can see the chat order, the privacy settings begin. You can see that you can easily click on edit and move the chat order. And if you scroll a bit down, you can see allow add as friend option. You can choose from everyone to no one, and other things are allow changes from. And you can also click on show online status to your friends, so you can just go ahead and go online or offline accordingly. This is the notification settings which you can change, and as you can see, these are the notification settings. So I hope this video about how you can change the privacy settings on 8-Ball Pool was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.